Just a heads up, the shades that you see in this video and the actual shades might not look exactly the same. Colors like greens and sometimes pinks look totally different on different screens, and even though I've tried my best to capture the exact shades, I still cannot guarantee anything. So, I have 41 shades from the Splash Nail Polish collection by Faces Canada, which the brand sent a long time ago. And ever since, I wanted to make this video in which I showed you each and every nail polish, because I know it's hard to look at maybe one or two reference pictures of nail polishes online and try to decide which ones you want to buy. I wanted to make this video so that you guys can experience the shades, and maybe this will help you decide which ones you want to buy. I've created few nail art designs using these splash nail paints. The pictures and tutorials are on my Instagram. Handle name is Enaildiaries. That's that. And yes, the entire collection is available on Nykaa. With that, I'm done talking, so I'll see you on the other side of this video. guys, that is it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Do share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.